My name is Taylor. I am 15 years old, and I don't care what my stupid mama says. I'm gonna have a baby. And my baby is gonna be taken care of. Because I will do whatever it takes. If that means taking this ass out on the street, I'ma do it. Okay? And if my baby gets cold, that's okay. Because I have a towel. And if he loses his binky, that's okay too. Because I will just draw him another one. You dig? And my baby is going to be wearing all designer labels. And if I can't afford it, I'ma steal it. And I'm not having sex with one man, two men, but three different guys. Okay? But that's alright because I'm a player and I got it like that. And I don't care that I'm a boy because men can have babies too. What about the pregnant man? He is my inspiration. Okay? So I don't care what you say, stupid mama. You listen here. I'm gonna have that baby.